Of Honorable Board Member Maria Cristina Navarro Atay. And also the department heads of the provincial capital of the province of Lanao del Norte. Good morning. Also, we have here our provincial director of DILG Lanao del Norte, Mr. Edward Bagwani Cesau 5. So we are here for a significant and historic day for the ceremonial ribbon cutting and turnover ceremony of the projects of our provincial governor Imelda Anguin Quebranza de Motora to the people of the municipality of Lala, to the installation of a traffic signalization system, our traffic lights, to the installation of solar power street lights. From Lala Gumagamot Provincial Road, we have 80 units. Lala Market Dunguan Provincial Road, 35 units. Magpataw San Isidro Upper Provincial Road, 64 units. A total of 179 units of solar power street lights. Also the improvement and upgrading of Lala Market Dunguan Provincial Road.